Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem based on rank correlation coefficient. A problem is 10 students get the following percentage of marks in two subjects A and B. Compute their rank correlation coefficient. See, they have given marks here. So they have not given rank in the table, they have given marks of subject A, that is marks in A subject and marks in B subject. So for this they have given marks, but we have to go for what here? We have to arrange for rank for this. So how to arrange a rank? So just you need to check here highest marks first. If you compare these of marks A, so highest marks of marks in subject A is 98. Then if you go next one is 90, then if you go for next less marks is 82. Like that we have to give the rank, and similarly in the subject B also. So for this we'll take a table for this. So solution, so marks A I will take it as X, marks B I will take it as Y. So this is marks A and this is marks B. Okay, please remember. So this is marks A and this is marks B. So we'll take first X value, marks A and marks B value here. So this is marks, not a rank, be careful. So as it is we'll take it, that is 78, then 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65 and 39. Similarly, go for the given marks for B, that is I am taking as Y, that is 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53 and 47. So these are the just marks, not rank. So I will take rank of X and rank of Y. So rank of X means highest value. So highest value in the rank marks X, that is A, is 98. So I will give 1, rank 1. Next is 90 marks, that is rank number 2. Next is 82, rank number 3. Okay. Then next is 78, rank number 4. Then 75 is rank number 5. Then 65 we have down here, it is rank number 6. 62 rank number 7. Then if you compare, so 39 will be rank number 8. Then 36 will be rank number 9. Then 25 will be rank number 10. So if you count the data also, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ranks according to the highest to lowest here. Similarly, rank for Y we have to calculate. So in this, rank is 91 in the Y. 91 is the rank number 1. Next, rank number 2 will be down here, that is 86 marks in B. Next, rank number 3 will be the first value of Y, that is rank number 3. Next, if you see that, rank number 4 is 68 marks. Next, 62 is rank number 5. Then 60 marks is rank number 6. Then 58 is rank number 7. Then 53 is the rank number 8. Then 51 will be the rank number 9. and 47 will be what here? Rank number 10. So these are the rank. Using rank we need to calculate. So that is nothing but we have to work out for d square, which is nothing but x minus y whole square. So we need to calculate. So 4 minus 1, it is 4 minus 3 is 1. This is x value, y. Don't compare this value. So these are the marks and these are the ranks. Okay, so in the question you have to read carefully what they have given. So rank they have given, or marks, or any values they have given. So if they have given values, we need to convert that values in terms of rank. So by rank will be usually in terms of number of data, how many datas are there. So that data we have to give the increasing to means highest value to lowest value, we have to give the rank and we have to get the values here. So these are the actual y, x and y values. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 square is 1 here. So 9 minus 9 is 0, 0 square is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 square is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 square is 16, then 5 minus 1 is 4, 1, 1 square is 1, 3 minus 5 is 2, 2 square is 4, then 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 means 0 square, 7 minus 7 is 0, 0 square is 0, 6 minus 8 is minus 2 square is 4, so 8 minus 10 is minus 2 square is 4. So if you take the summation here, so summation of d square, it is, if you add all the values, so it will become 30. So therefore, so we know the formula for rank correlation. The rank correlation coefficient is rho is equal to 1 minus standard deviation of 6 times standard deviation of d square divided by n into n square minus 1. So which is nothing but 1 minus, so here n value is 10. So 1 minus 6 into 30 divided by 10 into 10 square minus 1. So if you calculate, so we'll get the answer 0.81818, or I can say that, so rank correlation will be 0.82. Up to 2 decimal it will be 0.82. So in this way we need to simplify for the given thing. So here in this question, this is very important question. So here they have given the marks, we have to arrange for the rank, then the rank 1 minus rank 2 we have to subtract, then we have to square it. So with the help of this we can find the value of we can find the relation, that is rank correlation coefficient, by using the respective formula here. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel, press bell icon for more updates.